Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi, and on this show, we discuss about markets, the kind of trading session you witnessed today. It was the weekly expiry, and you did see a lot of volatile trade throughout the trading session. The choppiness continued right from yesterday. We did open higher, but if you see, the markets could not sustain on those high levels throughout the day because of the volatile moves, and we ended lower with the Nifty banks sliding about 1% lower in trade today. So the for the most part of the session, we did see the benchmarks hovering near the flat line, struggling to maintain over that flat line as well. To give you the kind of levels that we've seen at close today, Sensex was down 104 points, or just 0.18% at 57,892. So basically, the 58,000 crucial mark has been breached on the downside. The Nifty was down by just about 17 points, or 1/10% lower at 17,300. So at one point of the time, Nifty was trading above 17,400. That could not be sustained. 1241 shares advanced, over 2,000 shares declined. So the crack has been widened this time around. 100 shares remained unchanged. In terms of specific stocks, talk about ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Ultratech Cement, IndusInd Bank, and UPL. These were the top Nifty losers today. So all the big names coming in from the banking space, financials really dragging the street overall. The gainers included the likes of Tata Consumer Products, ONGC, HDFC, RIL in HDFC Life as well. On the sectoral front, like I told you, the banking index slipped 1%. Power index gained, however, 2%. Of course, keep in mind that there is a lot of enthusiasm around the green hydrogen policy coming about. Power space really in the news. BSE mid and the small caps also ended in the red right here. Now, of course, we've been seeing the global trade also in a very volatile situation, mixed trends coming about, especially after, even though Ukraine Russia crisis seems to have eased a little bit, but on the other hand, US Fed has been giving, the FOMC meeting has been giving out some hawkish commentary right there, which has been creating some pressure on the upside too. Gains in the auto, metals, and oil and gas shares definitely stemmed the losses for the markets, but it was the financials that played spoil sport today. Mid and the small cap was down about 0.4% odd in trade and 0.2% odd in trade, respectively. Of course, specific stocks, Nestle was in news after reporting its Q4 earnings. The shares fell after the earnings because the street estimates were not met on many accounts, especially on profit and the revenue space as well. Adani Wilmar, the recently listed stock that gained suddenly very sharply, right, three consecutive sessions after its listing, has been declining for the second day in a row. It sank about 4% today. Advani Hotels, on the other hand, rose about 20% after Radhakrishna Damani, the famous ace investor of Indian equities, raised his stake in the company as well. So that's as far as the market action is concerned, but we'll keep an eye out on how the macros really play their part to be able to understand how the markets will be gaining traction from here on. We'll keep you posted with all the updates. Do stay tuned on to Business Today, and don't forget to hit that bell icon and to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any content related to stock markets and business news. Thanks a lot for tuning in.